Assalamu alaikum. Hi, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you are doing great. This is the second class for me. First class I took that is a whale hunting. Did you all see my video? First video? All should see the video. If you didn't understand the video, please again see the video. Okay? So, today we are going to learn grammar. Okay? What's the topic is past perfect tense. Okay? What do you mean by past perfect tense? Before studying that past perfect tense, we should know about what is past tense. What is past tense? We should know about that. What is past tense? What had happened yesterday? What had happened 3 years back before? That is past tense. Okay. Now we are going to learn past perfect tense. Okay. Before learning the past perfect tense, we should learn about what is perfect tense. Okay, what is perfect tense? In a sentence, if you have as, have, had. What is this? What is this three word? The three words are verbs. Okay. Sometimes this word we call it as an auxiliary verb. Okay, auxiliary verb, not a main verb. We call it as an auxiliary verb. As, have, had. So these in a sentence, if you had these three verbs, we called it as a perfect tense. Okay, perfect tense. Now we are going to learn only past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. What is the rule of past perfect tense? Okay, there is some rules in past perfect tense. Okay, what is a grammar? Do you know what is a grammar? We have certain rules and regulation to form a sentence. Okay, we have certain rules and regulation to form a sentence. That is grammar. Okay, what is the rule of past perfect tense? The formula for the past perfect tense is, all of you take out your notebook and write whatever I am writing, very important. Okay. This one, did you written? The formula for the past perfect tense. So in grammar we have a certain formula. That way only we are following a sentence. So here had plus past participle. Okay, this is the rule. So past perfect tense, you have these verb only. Okay, this verb only you having. You don't want to use have as, only we can use had only. Had plus past participle. Okay, what is past participle? Past participle, we have certain words that I'll send you in WhatsApp. When you learn that, you can understand that. Had plus past participle, that word only you have to use. Now I'll give you one, write you one example, you will understand now. She had met him before the party. So one thing you have to remember, what is past perfect tense? What had happened yesterday. Okay, not now. Okay, what had happened yesterday, that is past perfect tense. So So here I am telling the formula. She had met him before the party. So she met him before the party. It had finished. The action is finished. Okay. So here had is coming. Okay, had is coming. Here one verb is written. What is that? Met. You should not here write meet. This is wrong one. This is right one. Okay. So that word we called it as a past participle. Do you understand? So she had met him before the party. So here had plus past participle only you have to add, not normal verb. Okay. This is usually we are writing. This is meet. That verb we should not use. This is past participle only you have to use. Okay. So now did you understand? Once again I'll tell you what is past perfect tense. The formula for the past perfect tense is had plus past participle. So these verb only you have to use. Okay, had. She had met him before the party. So here had is there. Here past participle you have to use met only. Okay. So this is the rules we have to follow in the past perfect tense. Had plus participle. Did you all return this? All of you write this? Okay. The formula for the past perfect tense is had plus participle. It doesn't matter if the subject is singular or plural, the formula doesn't change. Another one thing you have to remember here. What is this? This is subject. Okay, here. It might be, you can add I, you can add they. So the subject should be anything. Okay. So the same rules had, the same verb had will come. That is the meaning. It doesn't matter if the subject is singular or plural. What do you mean by singular? Singular means he, she, it. Like that it will come. So plural means they. Okay, like that it will come. So you don't want to worry about the subject. In a past perfect tense you should put had only. Okay, that is the meaning. Had is the past tense of these two verbs. Okay, so shall I rub the board? So as, have. These are the auxiliary verbs we are using in present perfect tense. Okay. So what is the past perfect tense? Okay. What is the past tense for has and have? Is had. Understand? What is the past tense for as and have? Had. So that you have to remember. Had is the past tense of these two verbs. In the present tense, have is used for I, you, we and they. So, for example, have. What is the subject you can add here? You have to use I, you, we and they. Okay, so there are certain rules is there. In present perfect tense, you should use the subject, this subject only. I have, you have, we have, they have. Okay, like that it will come. And then he, she, it. Okay, he, she, it, as. And then next one is as. What is the subject you can use? He, she, it. Understand? So there is a rules in English language. Okay. So here this as verb it comes means you have to use the subject. This subject only you have to use. He as, she as, it as. Okay. It will not come they as. That is wrong way of writing the English. Okay. So here, did you clear? Okay. So here now we are learning past perfect tense only. We are not learning present perfect tense. We are learning past perfect tense. In past perfect tense, simple only. Wherever the sentence we have to use had only. Okay. So the action is took place in before, okay, yesterday, okay, not now. So that we call it as a past perfect tense. So here now I am going to write one or two sentence you can understand now. I had so for example they are asking in you have to write the past perfect tense. So they will ask you she dash him before the party. So in bracket you will have meet. How will you change? I told you no. In past perfect tense you have to use only had. So and then you had plus past participle. I told you past participle, what word you have to use? Don't want, you should not use meet, you have to use met only. So here had met, and then here had written. If you write I had wrote, that is wrong. I had written is the correct form of writing. Okay. So one thing you have to remember, in past perfect tense you have to add the verb, auxiliary verb had only. Simple. Okay. In present perfect tense you have to use as and have. Very simple. The subject only it will differ. If you have the word have, means the subject is I, you, they. Okay. If the verb is as, means he, she, it. If the verb is had, means any subject it will come. Okay. He, she, it, they, like you. Okay. Any subject it will come. So you have to remember. Did you understand what is past perfect tense? Past perfect tense, we have to use the word had and with the past participle. Past participle you have a base form. I'll write you three three words, okay, three base form and simple past and past participle, then you can understand that past participle only you have to use in the word next to the add, okay, that is the that you have to use that way only. Now I'll write that. This is base form, simple past, and then past participle. So here beat, beat, beaten, become, became, become, bent, bent, and bent. So there are so many words like this. I'll send you through WhatsApp. You can learn from that. So here I am telling this is base form. Beat. Simple past tense is beat. Past participle is beaten. So these past participle only you have to use in the past perfect tense. Okay. You should not use this base form or simple past tense. Okay. You should use the past participle. Did you understand? So next one is become, became, become. Bent, bent, bent. Okay. So there is a certain rules in grammar in English language. We have to follow that way only. Okay. So in your textbook, one example they have given, page number 7. I went to see Devisha, but she was not there. In bracket they have given she gone play tennis. You have to convert these words into past perfect tense. She gone play tennis. Okay. How will you change? What I told you in past perfect tense, you have to use had. Okay. Very simple. You have to use had only. The next verb is past participle you have to use. So here she gone play tennis. They given. You have to write she had gone to play tennis. Okay. She had gone to play tennis. So there are number of questions they ask you. So try that. If you don't know, I'll tell you the answer in next class. Did you all understand? If you have any doubt in this subject, grammar is little bit difficult only. I can understand this, but I cannot, there is a difficulty in passing the knowledge to you. It's okay. It's very difficult, the grammar. So the base things you should know about what is past tense, what is present tense. I cannot teach you from the beginning. You should know about what is present tense, what is past tense. Past perfect tense we are teaching. So all, if you have any doubt, you can call me through mobile. I'll tell you any queries. Okay. So Assalamu alaikum. We will see you in the next class.